Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disassemble an Acorn Stairlift. First, safety is paramount. Begin by completely turning off and unplugging the stairlift from its electrical outlet to prevent any accidental power surges. Next, gather your tools. You will need a bladed screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, and an impact drill. Remember, the motor unit is quite heavy, weighing approximately 85 pounds, so plan for safe lifting and handling. Always prioritize your safety and the integrity of your home. Now let's tackle the chair and carriage. Use the remote to bring the stairlift to a comfortable working height, perhaps 2 feet from the top. Locate and disconnect the electrical cable behind the seat. With the cable free, you can then remove the seat itself by pressing the handle and lifting it away. Next, remove the trim cap and the 2 mechanical stops at the rail's top. Finally, carefully slide the entire motor and carriage unit off the rail. It can be quite heavy, so proceed with caution. Moving on to the track, begin by disconnecting any remaining power cables or adapters attached to the rail. Next, systematically unscrew all the mounting brackets that hold the track to your stairs. There are usually several brackets along the length. For longer stairlifts, you will find junctions where track segments connect. Remove the 6 cross-drilled screws at these points, along with a small screw in the gear strip. Then, carefully separate the track sections, unplugging any quick electrical disconnects to free the wiring. For the final steps, ensure all components are removed. This includes any small floor plates or residual fixings. Once everything is detached, take time to thoroughly clean the staircase and surrounding area, removing any dust or debris. Think about responsible disposal or recycling options for the various parts. Finally, inspect your stairs for any minor cosmetic damage or screw holes that might need a little touch-up. Congratulations, you have successfully disassembled your Acorn Stairlift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.